Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the chapter People as a Resource. People who are part of workplace are called human resource. They contribute in productivity. People who are having any skill and education, they are healthy, they are called human resource. Educated parents understand the value of education and hence invest in their child's education. So educated parents can contribute to make a people a resource. Uneducated people are unable to invest on education and healthcare, so they create vicious cycle in which coming generation remains poor. Economic activities is our next topic. Economic activity can be categorized into three types. First is primary activity. Primary activity means which are related to agriculture, poultry farming, fishing, horticulture, animal husbandry, mining, quarrying, etc. These are primary activities. Manufacturing is secondary activity. Natural resources are properly modified in secondary activity, means something is manufactured from primary activities products. Now, market activities. When some products or services are produced to sold in the market or to earn money, those are market activities. When some product or service is produced for self consumption, that is non market activity. Like if someone is teaching in a school, that is market activity, and if your mother is teaching you, that is non market activity. Literacy, health, skill, these are the factors which determine quality of population. Education is the factor that enhances literacy level, and government is taking many steps to spread education among the people, especially emphasis is given on girl education. Government has recently launched Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and midday meal schemes for education. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan means children under age of 6 to 14 years of age are given elementary education and it is free. And government is providing midday meal to government schools children so that poor people can attend the school. And a healthy person can fully realize a potential and can be asset for the economy. Unhealthy person is liability on the society. So government health system is composed of many hospitals and primary health centers. When a person is actively seeking a job but unable to get employment is called unemployed person. Working age is 15 to 59 years, and if a person is willing to work but not getting job, then he is unemployed. If he is not willing to do job, then he or she cannot be called unemployed person. Types of unemployment. First is seasonal unemployment. In this type of unemployment, people are free in some part of year and in some part of year they are working or they are busy. Next type is hidden unemployment. It is also called disguised unemployment. In this, more person are engaged in any work than required number. Suppose a family of 8 members are working in farm but only 5% are required, then 3% are hidden unemployed. Next type is educated unemployment. In urban areas it is found. Some people are not getting job because they are having degrees, they are postgraduate or graduates, but in some jobs they are not finding properly trained persons. There are some bad effects of unemployment. people who are not getting job, they are financially and emotionally drained on his family members, and large number of unemployed person are becoming liability on the society and as well as their family members. High rate of unemployment can also increase the crime rate. They do crimes when they are not getting job.